Manika. Today's news: the heaviest communication satellite to be launched from the Indian soil on board a new generation homegrown Bahubali rocket was successfully placed into the Indian orbit on Sunday, November 2, 2025. ISRO said the communication satellite CMS-03, weighing 4,410 kg, was flown on a LVM-3M5 rocket was enabling the Indian Space Agency accomplish this rare feat. CMS-03 is a multi-band communication satellite and would provide services over a wide oceanic region, including the Indian landmass, according ISRO. Thank you.
வணக்கம். என் பேர் சஞ்சனா தேவி. இன்றைய திருக்குறள்: கேடில் விழிச்செல்வம் கல்வி ஒருவருக்கு மாடலும் மற்ற எவை. அழிவில்லாத சிறந்த செல்வம் கல்வியே. ஒருவருக்கு அதனை விட சிறந்த செல்வம் வேறு இல்லை. நன்றி.
I am Ram Prasad. Today's interesting fact: a honeycomb is made up of hexagon because that shape holds most honey using the least wax. It's nature's perfect max design. Thank you.